Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to do voiceover on a TikTok application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do here is just go open the TikTok applications. Okay, here's the look when we open the CapCut application. So here I'm already in the home sections, but today let's create a new content by click this plus button over here, and after click it you can record lively by your TikTok camera. But if you already prepare the video that you want to add the voiceover, just go click the upload and choose which video that you want to upload and add the voiceovers to. For example, I would like to have this, and after you choose the video, go click next. Here I will need to control the sounds first. So I make there is no sounds since I want to add the voiceover. So now let's add the voiceover. How to add the voiceover? You just need to take a look on this right features here, explore more, by click this button, and after that you will gonna see a microphone symbols over here, and the information is called voice right in the left of the symbols. You just need to click it. And after that you just need to click the record to start recording your voice. When you click it, you need to click this and hold, or one click only, you can do that too, while you speak, so that this will be start recording your voice. Let's try. Voice over checked. Okay, when you finish and satisfied with the result, you can just click done. Voice over checked. And that's the result. After you're done and satisfied with the result, go click save. Voice over checked, and go click next. And after that you can just go add the captions on this post, and when everything is done, just go click pause to post this content into your TikTok account. So that's the way how to do voiceover on the TikTok application. If you found that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.